Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We got my new scooter wheels. So let's just open them up. I'm really excited. Woo. So these are Jon Reyes 120mm signature wheels. Second thing we have is a bunch of stickers and stuff like that. Okay, so now I can get scooter wheels and open them. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and put them on my scooter. So now that I've installed the new Jon Reyes wheels, well, tomorrow I'm gonna have to go to the skate park because the weather is pretty crappy right now. But I'll fill you in once I do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again later. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye!